Cooper Pharma Limited is a group company of Cooper Pharma, founded in 1959 by a well-known and visionary pharmacist, Dr. O.S. Bhargava at Delhi. Cooper Pharma gradually but solidly spread its network throughout the branded generics and ethical segments across 25 states of India. It started exports in the year 1991 with a range of specialized products across segments and dosage forms. A new export-oriented manufacturing facility spread over an area of over 2 acres was set up at Dehradun. It is equipped with the state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities conforming to the international standards and accredited with the CGMP, WHO GMP certification and ISO 9001-2000 certification. The Cooper plant conforms to the MCC, TGA, Australia, US FDA and UK MHRA norms and has already initiated procedures for certifications. Some notable features are serene, pollution and dust-free surroundings, adequate production areas with sufficient quarantine rooms and ancillary areas with over 1 lakh square feet of production and technical areas, separate buildings for utility, manufacturing and office areas in the factory premises. Fully equipped laboratory with latest instruments and qualified technical staff. The plant has the following sections and production capacities in a single shift. The oral solid dosage section has extensive arrangements to produce tablets on a massive scale through its 5 compression machines, autocoaters, and 6 primary packing lines including 4 blister and alu machines. The hard gelatin capsule section is equipped with latest machines for sifting, blending, filling pellets and powders, and polishing of capsules and manufacturing wide range of capsules of various sizes ranging from size 1 to size 3. The liquid injectable section has manufacturing capability for a wide range of liquid injections in the form of vials, ampules, eye and ear drops. All manufacturing and filling is done in Class 100 environment under LAF and material transfer is through dynamic pass boxes. The liquid oral section has modern and automatic world-class manufacturing facilities with online washing, filling, sealing and labeling. The sterile powder injectables section is manufacturing wide range of dry powder injectables in vials with its automatic tunnel line coupled with PLC-based washing, filling, sealing and labeling machines. The external preparation section has installed capacity of 7,500 kg per month. The fully automatic plant is equipped with vacuumized system for transfer of material from manufacturing to sealing. There are more than 50 AHUs and 14 FDVs, which are fully automated. Water is treated by a series of purification procedures before circulation in the 316L make loop line. Cooper has fully equipped laboratory with an area of over 10,000 square feet, having latest state-of-the-art equipment such as HPLCs, IRs, GCs, TOCs, 4 stability chambers, incubators, among other instruments. An impressive range of more than 500 products from multiple therapeutic segments such as antimicrobials, anti-malarials, gastrointestinal drugs, narcotics preparations, alcohol-based preparations, cardiovascular drugs, diabetic care, analgesics, corticosteroids, cough and cold preparations, anticoagulants, iron ear drops, sedatives and tranquilizers. The progress of Cooper can be attributed to a dedicated workforce of more than 200 unskilled and semi-skilled workers with 80 skilled workers, over 35 QA and QC executives. Cooper is quality conscious for you. Quality consciousness begins at the time of procuring the APIs and other materials for production procured from approved, reputed vendors. The material is thoroughly tested before use in production. All testing methods are standardized and conform to the latest international guidelines. The Cooper Group over the last 2 decades has made its presence felt across the globe. Cooper has carried forward the rich legacy of supplying quality and reliable formulations to various markets across the globe, and the number is continuously increasing. We at Cooper will do everything in our power to wipe a tear and put a smile on a face. That will be our reward, our achievement. We look for those who look for quality.